Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're going to be going back to a place where we visited earlier this year. I'll put the link up in the corner, as well as in the description if you want to check out that trip that we went to. But we are specifically going back to take a look at their annual Festival of Lights that they are also known for. So we're going to check that out and stay a night at the hotel. So let's get on going. We're gonna buy our cupcakes now before the line gets long. Can I get a churro, please? hotel room, just pretty much decompressing for the rest of the evening. It was nice seeing all the lights out there and all the people. We had a small dinner because tomorrow I have reservations to one of the restaurants down here. So to cap off our little trip here, we're gonna have a nice lunch. I was trying to get a reservation for tonight, but it was pretty difficult with everything being so booked. Everything here is pretty much, booked up for the holidays. So pro tip, make sure you reserve your spots here at least a couple months in advance because they really do fill up fast. And with that, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you very much. Alrighty, time to head home. And there you have it, our trip to the Mission Inn. Well, actually, it is a trip to their Festival of Lights, which they're also known for, but I had to make sure to stay at least a night there to have the full experience. And I wasn't disappointed. I was actually glad to see it, and I had a very comfortable stay. Our room was pretty awesome, to be quite honest, and I wasn't expecting the room that we got, so luck of the draw, I guess. Now, if I haven't yet, I will put the link in the corner as well as in the description so you could check out our first trip from earlier this year to the hotel where we visited during the day. Here, you get to see the experience of it in the evening. Thank you so much for joining me on this trip. I hope you had a really good time and hopefully we'll come back again, who knows, maybe sometime soon. But for now, thank you again, and if you do want to see more adventures just like this, you know what to do. Just hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures just like this to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.